Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about joins in SQL. There are multiple joins in SQL which we can use. In this tutorial, we will learn about four different joins. That is an inner join, left join, right join, and full join. Let's go and understand first inner join. Inner join, also known as join, it basically adds two columns where the condition is matching in the both table. In this illustration, we can see that there are two different tables, table 1 and table 2. And if we will use join, only the matching cases has been added. So, join is also sometimes known as inner join. Now the second is the left outer join, also known as left join. So when we use the left join, the table which is on the left side will have all data available, and the table on the right side will come on the front side of the left table. It might be possible that there are few information which will not be available in table B. So these rows will remain null, but 100% rows will be available from table left. Now let's understand about the right outer join. It is same as right join. In this, when we use this right outer join, the syntax will remain the same like we used earlier. So it is select column from table 1, then right join will use, this is an optional one, then table 2, then on table 1 column, then table 2 column. Here in this illustration, we can see that table 2 remains the complete value, and table 1 only those which is matching with table 2 will come. All those rows will remain empty against this table 2 rows. One more information that I wanted to add here, whenever we are using join, we are writing syntax like select few columns from table 1, then join, right join or left join, then table 2, and to match both the table 1 and table 2, we will use on, and then table 1, the column which we wanted to connect means the unique column as an identifier, table 2, and then column from table 2. This on is the condition to match the table 1 and table 2. In the last, we will talk about full outer join. It is also known as full join. In this join, all information will come from table 1 and table 2, and the information which is not available against the value of table 1, the table 2 rows will be empty, and the values which is not coming in table 1 it will remain empty against table 2. We will learn all those things with practical example. I have created two different tables. So let's go and see how we can use joins. Here I have used two different tables, supplier and orders. First, these are very small tables. I have very rows here to show you how exactly this works. So let's open orders. So here in orders table, we have order ID, supplier ID, and order date. By this, using this pin, we can keep it constant. If we will run another query, this value will remain here. Then the second table is select from supplier. Here we have supplier ID and supplier name. In both these table, the common factor is supplier ID. So we will join it by supplier ID. Now we will start with first join. So is use select node from orders. Then we use an alias A, or we can use the whole table name also. You must be aware that whenever there is any table name is a lengthy one, so we can't use that table name again and again. So we are to shortening this, we can use alias like A I did here. I can use join, then select from supplier, and I put this table as B. Alias name is B. Now we will join both the table by A means this table, that was the common factor was supplier ID is equal to B dot supplier ID. Now we will run this. Now what we can see here is there are two different supplier IDs were common in both the table, and by using join only these values were come. So by using join we can fetch only the common elements from both the table or more than two tables. Here 1001, 1002, and in the supplier there were, this is the first table, 10,000, 10,001, 10,004. In the supplier table 10,000, 10,001 was available. So in this table the common factor 10,000, 10,001 came. So you can see here the joins only gives the common factors. Now we will use another join, that is a left join. All the factors will remain same as mentioned earlier. Just instead of join, we will use left join. Now, after running this, we will see the exact results. But before that, I wanted to repeat it again that in the left join, the left table, that is the order table, will remain complete. Means all these three values will remain here. The right table will come here, and all those values which will be available against these values will be there. Otherwise, it will be empty. As we saw earlier that 1004 was not available in the next table. So against this value, the new values will be empty. And these order table will remain complete. Yes, we saw that 1004 was not available in the supplier table. So this is remain completely empty. And all those two values were available in the new table. So it gives the value against these. Left join in my career, I mostly used left join because we always have a particular table and we need values against those table. Basically, we created this table as a base table, and against this we started to pick values from different tables. Now time comes for right join. As we mentioned earlier, that in the right join, the value, the base table will be right join. Means all those values which is available in the right join will come on this side, on this side, and left, left table will remain here, and matching table will show the value, non-matching value will show the null value here. So the all those syntax will remain the same as in the earlier video. Here in the base table, that is the right table, we have four different values: 10,000, 10,001, 10,003, 10,002. Against this, there were just two values available in the left table, that is 10,001, 10,002, 1, 10,000, 10,001. But there is no value against 10,003 and 10,002. So these values remain empty. So right join is just the opposite of the left join. Now the final one is the outer join, a full outer join, whatever you wanted to say. That's full join. Or you can use full outer join. As we mentioned earlier, in this table, it is just a mix of left join and right join. They will pick both as a base table and will match. So when it matches, the values will come like that. Where it doesn't match, values will come like this. So Let us run this. Now we can see there are two different matches which were available in both the tables, 10,000, 10,001. So the all values came from left and right side. Apart from that, left table has one value which is not matching in the right side. Basically, it is not available in the right hand table. So these values came empty. Same as in the right table, there were two different values which were not available in the left table. So these values came again empty. So that is how joins work. In basically SQL, we usually use join and left join majority of the time in our professional life. But it might be possible in multiple times we need left join, right join, and full join also. So these functions are very useful and are very much required in our life. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you again in next video with union and union all. Thank you for watching.